In this video, how to fix this error when joining a device to Entra ID or enrolling it to Intune. To fix the error, navigate to the Microsoft Admin Center and open the Entra ID Admin Center. Search for MDM in the search bar. Select Mobility, MDM, and WIP from the options. Click on Microsoft Intune to view its settings. Set the Windows Information Protection (WIP) user scope to none. Ensure that the MDM user scope is set to all. Restore the default MDM URLs if any custom changes have been made. Wait for a few minutes and attempt the enrollment or joining process again. As demonstrated, the error should no longer appear. Additionally, if using a custom domain, verify that you've configured the necessary DNS records for Intune automatic enrollment. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.